Puzzle number 7, the coffee shop. The first thing I'm going to do is X off anywhere on this grid where a person cannot be. You obviously don't need to do this. I find it easier to work around the spaces that I don't need to think about. You could also put your answer up here. That's just a personal choice. My brain works better in this little grid. So Abigail, she was beside a plant. She was not sitting in a chair. So we have a plant here. So she could be here. Can't be here because there is a chair. She could be here, not here, and she could be here. Next up we have Barbara. She was beside the cash register. The cash register is here, so she could be here or here. Chloe, she was in the second column. Okay, so we don't know where in the second column Chloe is, but we know automatically that nobody else can be in the second column anymore, so I'm going to erase those, and I'm going to put C's all the way down. Now I'm going to pause because there is now only one spot that Barbara can be, so automatically I know this is Barbara's spot. So I can X off across the row, and I can X off down this column, like that. Okay, so I'm going to skip over Dwayne just for a second because Everett's clue is going to help us X off a lot of squares. It says he was sitting in a chair, he was not beside a table. So he could be in this chair. He cannot be here, or here, or here, or here, or here, or here. But he could be, oh, no he can't, because that's X'd off. So automatically we know this is Everett's square. So we're going to X off across, get rid of this, and we're going to X off going down like that. And since we just X'd off this square, now we know that this is the only place that A can be. So we're going to X off all the way up, and we're going to X off going across. Okay, going back to Dwayne's clue. He was north of Chloe, he was in the main area. So we do still have C here as an option, but now that we know that Dwayne is north of Chloe but in the main area, Chloe therefore can only be in the main area. So we're going to get rid of that. And that means that Dwayne can only be in this space. We have two spots where Chloe can be. If he's north of this Chloe, then he goes here. This Chloe actually has nothing north of it where Dwayne could be. So this has to be D. And this gets X'd off. And this has to be C, which leaves us with one square left, and that's for our victim, Vander. And so the murderer is Barbara. Let's see if we're right. And just like we said, the murderer is Barbara. Let me know what puzzle we should solve next. Thanks, guys.